We've all run into this problem. You are deep into a build. You're in that flow state. You're moving fast. And then you hit the rate limit wall. Now, you're just waiting and your momentum is gone. Or maybe it's the bill that you got. Maybe it's that $20 a month minimum that you need to pay. Now, scale that across 2 or 3 tools and it's already $100 every single month that is coming out of your pocket. But what if there was a model that solved all of that for you? What if it was completely free? What if it didn't need any internet, no API key, and 0 rate limits? Here's the thing, Google just dropped Gemma 4 and it changes everything about how we use AI locally. Most people have no idea that it even exists. And the ones who do are already using it to replace their $100 a month subscriptions. I've personally been running it locally for the past few days now, and in that past few days, I haven't needed to touch any of my paid subscriptions, not even once. Now, in this video, I am going to explain what Gemma 4 actually is, how to get it running in under 60 seconds, and exactly how it stacks up against the paid models that you are already using. And if you want all of our prompts, all of the install guides, everything that we have created, it's all in our free school community. The link is down in the description. There's already currently over about 22,000 people that's currently in there, and I can guarantee you, you are going to love being part of it. So go and check it out. But now let's talk a bit more about what is Gemma 4. So what is it? It's Google DeepMind's latest family of open source AI models. It's built on the same research as Gemini, their own flagship LLM, and that means that you get frontier level intelligence in a model that you can actually run yourself, and it plugs straight into Google's entire ecosystem. Google AI Studio, Colab, Vertex AI, and so much more. All of it works out of the box. It ships with an Apache 2.0 license, and that means that you can build a product with it and you can even sell it tomorrow. And there's no permissions needed, there's no revenue caps, there's no legal gray area. It comes in 4 sizes, that is the E2B, the E4B, the 26B, and the 31B. Something for basically every device. And it's fully multimodal. That means the text, the images, the audio, the video. So let me show you how fast this whole thing actually is. And I guarantee you, you are going to be so impressed by the end of this video. Okay, so now let's install Gemma 4. And trust me, everything's going to be done in about 60 seconds. And here we go. Then step 1 is go to Ollama.com, and then you're going to download Ollama, and it's completely free. Then you're going to pick your OS, which can be Mac, Windows, or Linux, and then you're going to install it like any other app. It then starts downloading the model directly to your machine. Run Gemma 4, and now you're talking to it. Locally, no internet needed, no API key, no subscription needed. Now, the one place that people actually get stuck is picking the right model size. So let me clear that up for you. Now, if you are on a laptop with around 8 gigs of RAM, then you're going to start with E4B. It runs well on most modern machines, and it gives you a real sense of what Gemma 4 can do. Now, if you're on desktop and you have about 16 to 20 gigs of RAM, then you're going to go for the 26B. It's a mixture of expert models, which means that it only activates about 4 billion parameters at a time. So it's way smarter than you'd expect without eating up all of your resources. Now, Gemma 4 handles the text, it handles the code, it handles the images and the documents. But for AI video, I always recommend that people should go with Higgsfield. With Higgsfield, I can use all the latest AI video and image models under just one roof. Let me show you the newest and best AI video model right now. It's called Cdance 2.0. It's running inside Higgsfield. Now, watch this. That's AI generated. The physics are real, the fabric moves right, the water behaves like water, there's momentum, there's weight, there's lighting, all of it just works. And here's another one. This is the most natural motion that I've seen from any AI video tool, and it generates audio too. Sound effects are synced to what's happening on screen, which means no post-production. Now here's another great feature. It's called Cinema Studio. It is also built on the latest Dance 2.0. I just create a character inside Xfield. I set the face, the build, the outfit, and that character is then locked in. Now I can drop them into any genre: action, horror, drama, noir, any camera movement that I want, any scene, and I get the same person every single time. Just check out these examples. That looks so insane, right? I'll leave a link below down in the description to try out Xfield for yourself. But now, let's get back to Gemma 4. The benchmarks are one thing, but I want to show you something the benchmarks don't capture. I'm dragging in a screenshot over here, and there's no upload to any server. Nothing is leaving my machine, and I'm asking Gemma to analyze it. And now Gemma, it reads it, it describes it, and then it pulls out the structure, the layout, the elements, not surface level. It understands what it's looking at. Now let's test it out even further. Okay, so let's throw something else at it. Let's do my analytics board. Okay, let's take a screenshot, and now let's drop it straight in. And there you can see, it reads the chart, it spots the trends, and then it tells me what's happening in the data. There's no copying numbers into a spreadsheet, which I know can be a headache because it takes so long. And all you have to do is just drop it in, and then you can get the insight. This works on charts, handwritten notes, receipts, UI designs, anything visual, all happening locally on your hardware. Now let's test out another one. Okay, so now I'm going to ask it to build my landing page, okay? The hero section, the call to action, the responsive layout, okay? And now, watch this. That's a working HTML file. It's generated locally, there's zero cost, no rate limit. It opens right in my browser, and if I don't like something like, let's say, the spacing, the copy, the colors, all I have to do is I just tell it to fix it, and then instantly it does it for me. There's no cooldown, there's no wait time. Just iterate until it's right and you will get the best possible results. Now let's test it out again. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping in a full PDF into Gemma 4, and there's a contact, there's multiple pages, and there's dense legal language. Okay, now what I want to do is I wanted to pull out the key terms, flag anything unusual, summarize the whole thing in plain English. Okay, and it's done in just a few seconds. It's locally done. It's your contacts, your invoices, your NDAs. None of it leaves your machine. That alone is worth the install for anyone handling sensitive documents. Agencies, freelancers, founders, anyone who doesn't want their paperwork floating around in someone else's cloud. This is a game changer for them. Now, this is the one part that really sold me. The Wi-Fi is now off. No connection whatsoever. Okay? It still works. Completely independent. You're on a 12-hour flight. Your internet goes down during a deadline. Now, if that happens, it doesn't matter. Your AI workflow doesn't need to stop. That's what accessible, independent AI actually looks like. You've got the model running. There's no subscription, no rate limits, no data leaving your machine. That's already ahead of 99% of people. And if you want the exact prompts that I used for this video, they are all inside the free school community. The link is down in the description. And if you found this helpful, then make sure to leave a like and also subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to turn on those bell notifications. And also leave a comment down below if there's a specific tool that you want us to test out in an upcoming video. But for now, it's been a whole lot of fun, and I will catch you on the next one.